given that 2020, it's kind of a cliche to say it, but has been the year from hell, I thought I would do an extract from Let All Mortal Flesh Keep Silence. And I love verse 3, which is one of the ones I'm going to do, which says, "Rank on rank the hosts of heaven spreads its vanguard on the way, as the light of light descendeth from the realms of endless day, that the powers of hell may vanish as the darkness clears away." So here's looking forward to a really good 2021.
Let all mortal flesh keep silence, and with fear and trembling stand. Ponder nothing earthly minded, for with blessing in his hand, Christ our God to earth descendeth, for homage to demand. Rank on rank the hosts of heaven spread its vanguard on the way, as the light of light descends